Chanji, KTN News, Mombasa County.
A section of women leaders, including the chairperson of Maendeleo ya Wanawake, Rehab Muiu, and nominated Senator Beth Mugo, now want Azimio presidential flag bearer Raila Odinga to pick Martha Karua as his running mate in the August polls. The women leaders say that Karua's traits and abilities will complement that of Raila Odinga and vice versa. They were speaking here in Nairobi early Saturday.
We national women leaders, on behalf of Kenyan women and people of goodwill, hereby confirm our unwavering support for Honorable Senior Counsel Martha Karua to deputize Right Honorable Raila Odinga.
It's our time now. It is ripe for the woman of Kenya to ascend to the top as second in command. Why am I saying this? Around us, Rwanda, Uganda, Ethiopia, Sudan, Tanzania have a woman president. Kenya deserves this position now.
We're now taking a short break. When we come back, we tell you why it will cost the Exchequer a whopping 9 billion shillings extra for Nairobi Expressway.